What's good, y'all? Today I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Today we are doing we basically just getting on the monkey app, to pick up a baddie. You know what I'm saying? That's all we trying to do. I'm finna hit y'all with that. You gotta share. You gotta share, bro. If you ain't gonna do nothing else, I don't care. If you don't do nothing else, share the video. That's all I ask, bro. Share. Don't blame me, bro. If I say it, share, bro, share. And you ain't gonna book up, bro. You gonna share that mug, alright, then.
No, man, damn, shut up.
Hello.
What's up?
How old are you?
How you doing?
I'm good.
24.
How old are you?
How old is you?
I'm 23.
Oh.
That was
I look young or something? That like that's me?
Yeah.
I look.
You look young.
Cool.
What we eat?
That's good. I'm not eating nothing. This is my kids.
Oh. Can't do it. She got kids. Trying to be my sugar mom. Hello? What was just going on? Hello?
What's up, Jimmy John?
Where your sister?
Yo, I got a question for you, bro. Do you know what cracker means?
No.
No.
Where your sister?
Then why you call us crackers, huh?
Can somebody give her the phone?
Wait, where are you at, Josh?
Nobody wants to give her the phone?
Fuck you, bitch.
You don't want me to be her brother-in-law?
Fuck you.
You don't want me to be your brother-in-law?
No.
No, that's fine. He's all into it.
I broke it. Look, it's like a line. It goes like
Hello?
boom, boom, boom. Okay.
How are
What?
y'all? How are y'all?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. Rate me on a scale from 1 to 10. 1.
Rate.
0.
That's a 10.
Oh, on my screen it's flipped, so that looked like you just gave me a 1. So yeah. Dubs.
She said you're a negative.
Damn.
She meant to put
What's
this.
her number? We want her. We want her in the back.
Her.
Y'all saw that, right? She want me. She want me. She want me. She want me. Hello.
Oh, he's cute. Hold up.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
I gotta stop making dumb.
Hello.
Hey.
Where your face?
Hey.
How you doing?
I don't got a face.
How I'm supposed to talk to you when you got a face?
I don't know, bruh. I stuck out of my nipples.
Huh?
Hi.
Can't get no mail. So, how's your day?
My day is good. Rate me on a scale from 1 to 10.
What was it? Like 8 or 9. 8.
You trying to slide me your number?
864.
Bet. I'm finna call you.
Okay, bye, Daddy.
Bye. She want me. She want me. She want me. Hello. What's good, y'all?
What's up?
What we on tonight?
Shit.
I thought we was going to the club. It's not a club night. I respect it.
Nah.
I was gonna ask them, but they was like, she didn't. That was probably her lady. Hello.
What's up?
What's good?
Chilly.
I like your thighs. Where your face?
I look rough. Don't feel good. Yeah.
So I can't see your face?
No, sir.
Oh, well, I gotta go.
Who?
Me. I gotta go.
Go? Bye.
Bye. Have a good on this time. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Why do you look so scary?
I don't know. That's the first one for me.
You need to make a facial expression. English is hard, you know.
Yes, I know.
Expressions. You need to make a facial expression. Just like that looks like you want to kill me and my family.
My bad. I actually don't. I'm trying to be
What?
in your family.
This is what you look like. That's scary.
Was that better?
No.
No, I know it. She wasn't listening to the game that I was spitting though. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great. How old are you?
14.
Damn. Why couldn't you be a year older? Why? Hello.
Yo,
Where your mom's at?
but let me sing you a song.
Bet.
Alright, but you know the song where it goes like, "Ay, you ain't gonna say it." Oh!
No, I ain't never heard that. Wait, what? I've never heard that. Hello?
Hello?
Is that a man?
Yeah, it's my brother.
That's your brother? Okay, how old are you?
I'm 19.
I wasn't talking about you, but that's good to know. How old are you? Maybe it might be this way.
I mean, I have a ring on my finger,
Okay,
and he's sitting right there.
that's fine. It's called an entanglement.
How dare you to show up here?
What's the
You
addy?
wanna pull up?
What's the addy?
Bro. You're gonna get body friends.
I can't pull up to the addy? I want a
What?
strawberry.
You might die.
You wanna get shot?
I mean, it's
Wanna
always an option.
You want to get eaten by dogs?
Dogs love me.
You wanna get shot and eaten by dogs?
Well, I'm gonna be a good meal to the dog.
Even though you just smacked one.
I guess I was supposed to be intimidated.
Tape on them.
What?
Girl, you should put them around your bed.
Hello?
Yo.
What y'all on?
That girl trying to fix them LED lights, boy.
Shut up.
How old are you? In the middle. Or with the
How-
one with the ponytail.
In the middle.
I'm on the computer,
Oh,
so
me?
you're in the middle.
Me?
Yeah.
Me? Right here?
Yeah.
Duh.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Yeah, so she in the
I'm 14.
Damn. Why you have to be born a year
Yeah.
later?
Huh?
Why you have to be born a year later?
No.
You like a valid baddie, but you're 14. And I haven't even
How you know what I
seen
look
the
like?
faces.
My screen must be delayed or something.
She would have been
I don't know what the other one is, so. Hi,
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
What are you?
A girl.
It's dark, so I couldn't tell. Where your mom's at?
Bed.
Where your mom's?
Bro.
Bruh, where your mom's at?
I don't have two moms. I only have one.
Where your mom?
In bed.
Give her the phone.
This is not a phone.
Well, give her the tablet or the thing that you own.
Why?
I'm trying to talk to her.
I hate you.
Okay. Hello.
Hello,
What's good?
what's good?
Where your mom's at?
My mom, like, she's like 9 hours away.
Man.
Yeah,
Where your dad's side piece at?
My dad, his side piece, I don't even know.
Damn. I need
Like,
one
what?
of them. Where your sister?
I don't got no sister.
Yeah, I know you got an auntie.
I got an auntie. I swear I do.
Where she at?
Probably at home.
You should FedEx the phone to her.
FedEx the phone to her.
Yeah.
But then what if they drop it?
Well,
It's iPhone 12.
you better have insurance.
Man, you know how much insurance costs? That's like $5 extra.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good about you?
I'm great. How old are you?
16, we from?
I'm from Missouri, if you don't know. St. Louis. Yeah. Where you from?
Mississippi.
You're not that far. You trying to slide me your number?
Sure.
Is it gonna be a real number or is it gonna be a fake number?
You gonna be mine.
Might be a real number. Shut up. I'm so sorry.
You ready?
Yeah.
62.
I'm gonna call you. I feel like she gave me a fake number, but either way,
Look at my shiny anchors.
what's good? You remember me?
Where you from, dog?
I'm from the
Where
Lou.
you from, dog?
From the Lou.
You from where?
The St. Louis.
Ringling. Shut up.
That's in Missouri.
Hey, you play basketball, football, track?
Basketball.
Oh, how tall you, cuz?
6'1".
You 6'1"?
Yeah.
Stand up, cuz. Come on, beyond 6'1".
I'm beyond the camera.
6'1", dog.
Yeah.
Shit, you probably 6'1". What position you play?
Point guard.
Point guard? Okay. You rough?
Yeah.
You don't?
I don't know what the hell he said the last part, but he was cool. He was, you know, I seen him early. What's good? What we smoking?
Smoking gas, bro. Zaza.
That Zaza. Y'all sure?
Smoking that big shit, dog. Big ass joint, dog.
Oh, damn, bro. It don't be it, bro. Yeah, like that. Hello.
What's good?
What's good? Where your sister at?
My sister,
Yeah.
your mother.
My mama? She's 6 foot.
Huh?
She's 6 foot.
What that mean?
She's 6 foot under. Hello? Hello?
Hey.
You okay?
Hi.
You.
Yeah, I just got skipped.
Oh. Well, you're very beautiful.
I can hear you.
You're very.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
So, like, you trying to slide your number?
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Okay.
That. What's your number?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
859. And put my name as Tiny J. Okay?
Gotcha.
Write it down.
I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
What's good, y'all? So, as y'all see, I need y'all to turn me up, alright? I need y'all to share that. That's the end of the video, all of that, right? But I need y'all to turn me up, share that. we need to, you know, put people on, like, bro. This is exclusive content, bro. You're not getting this nowhere else, bro. You need to share this. Trying to put you on something, bro. We finna go crazy. Putting you on to something, putting you on, man. Need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Peace.